I'm going to give you a quick review about installing LED strip kits in a window display. Today we have a Dixie Narco. This was a stock machine. It had 3 fluorescent bulbs. This kit's available as a 2-bulb or 3-bulb version, depending on how you'd like to do it. Very easy to install. I'm going to give you a quick overview on installing one strip. All 3 of them are done the same. So we'll open up your vending machine. Here we have access to our light panel, so we will move the clip upwards and release. So here we have our 3 bulbs, and basically this bulb will fit perfectly in between this segment here. So shortly I'm going to remove this light, this ballast, because they're not used anymore. All the wiring and starters are replaced, and basically, as you'll see when you open up your machine, this adapter right here will connect. So over here there's 3 different adapters, so each strip plugs directly in. There's no rewiring necessary, everything is plug and play. Basically these strips here come with a piece of 3M tape right here, so we'll peel this off. We'll stick this here. So I'm going to go ahead and remove these parts. I'll come back to you. I'll put this on here, show you how to connect it. For this step, very important, I've removed electricity from the machine, and then I went ahead and removed these electrical parts. So make sure your machine is turned off when you're disconnecting these parts. But basically I've removed the ballast, a couple of plastic clips in here in place. What I call the tombstones that are in here, you kind of slide those inward and they snap out of place. And basically just to hook this up, the finish for each bulb, you'll peel off the back of this tape right here and kind of position it in the center. It fits very nicely. So you want to pull this through. This will fit perfectly right here. As you can see here on this lower strip, there's this silver bar here that would block it from being up high. So I'm placing it a little bit lower, and before I use this very adhesive 3M tape, I'm making sure that the door can close. So just do your due diligence. Make sure when you close these doors, nothing's going to block it. As you can see here with this placed, the door closes perfectly, and it looks really great.